Welcome to the Bureau of Indian Standards Central Laboratory, where safety and quality are paramount. This video demonstrates the testing of two-wheeler helmets as per IS 4151-2015, including its amendments. These tests ensure every helmet meets stringent safety criteria to protect lives on the road. Introduction to IS 4151-2015. IS 4151-2015 outlines the requirements and methods for testing protective helmets for two-wheeler riders. This standard includes parameters to evaluate impact resistance, structural integrity, and safety features, ensuring optimal protection for riders. Markings and labeling. Each helmet must have clear, indelible markings that include 1. Manufacturer's name or trademark, 2. Batch number, 3. Month and year of manufacture, 4. Model or design, 5. Size, 6. Country of origin if imported, 7. A note stating does not provide any additional protection to chin from impacts if applicable, 8. The words two-wheeler helmet, and 9. Helmet mass to the nearest 50 grams. Environmental conditioning. Before testing, helmets undergo environmental conditioning to simulate real-world conditions. Ambient temperature 25 degrees Celsius and hygrometry 65% RH. High temperature exposure at 50 degrees Celsius for 4 to 6 hours. Low temperature exposure at minus 20 degrees Celsius for 4 to 6 hours. UV radiation exposure for 48 hours. Impact absorption test. Clause 7.2. Impact absorption test evaluates a helmet's ability to absorb energy from impacts. During this test, the conditioned helmet is dropped from a specified height onto an anvil, simulating accident scenarios. The results must meet these criteria for peak acceleration or duration of acceleration. Rigidity test. Clause 7.3. In the rigidity test, helmets are subjected to compressive forces on their sides to assess structural integrity. Helmets must deform within acceptable limits, ensuring they remain sturdy under stress. Retention, detaching, test of helmet. Clause 7.7. The retention system test ensures that the angle between the reference line situated on the shell of the helmet and the reference line of the head form shall not exceed 30 degrees. A specified falling mass of 10 kg is applied and the angle should not exceed 30 degrees. Dynamic retention test. Clause 7.5. This test evaluates the elasticity of the retention system. A 15 kg load is applied dynamically to the straps, followed by an additional 10 kg falling mass. After the test, dynamic displacement is not exceeded by 35 mm and residual displacement after 2 minutes is not more than 25 mm. Micro-slip test of chin strap. Clause 7.8. The chin strap, along with the tensioning and adjusting device, is subjected to a load of 20 newtons. The load is given the reciprocating horizontal motion with an amplitude of 50 mm for 500 cycles. The total slippage through the grip shall not exceed 10 mm. Peripheral vision test. Clause 6.7. Peripheral vision is critical for rider awareness. Helmets must provide a clear horizontal field of at least 105 degrees on each side from the mid-sagittal plane. Projection and surface friction test. Clause 7.4. In projection and surface friction test, the helmet should not be brought to rest due to projections on helmet, and the helmet should slide freely on carriage and over the disc under 40 kg loading at a specific speed. The surface friction test ensures that the helmet remains stable on the rider's head during a sliding or impact. Durability of quick release mechanism. Clause 7.10.3. In durability of quick release mechanism, it is checked whether the quick release mechanism is capable of operation after 5,000 cycles are done on the sample under loading of 20 newtons. Audibility test. Clause 7.6. This test ensures that the helmet allows proper sound transmission. The sound level difference between front and back must meet standard limits. with a horn producing 90 to 115 dBA in a noise-free environment. Testing of visors for two-wheeler helmets as per IS 9973-1981 specifies the requirements for materials, construction and performance tests for visors used in two-wheeler helmets. These tests ensure the visor provides adequate protection and clear visibility to riders. Impact resistance of visors, Clause 5.1 of IS 9973. The impact resistance test assesses the visor's ability to withstand impacts. A steel ball weighing 50 grams is dropped from a height of 1 meter onto the visor at room temperature. To pass this test, the visor must not fracture or detach from its mounting. Next, penetration resistance of visors, Clause 5.2 of IS 9973. The penetration resistance test evaluates the visor's resistance to sharp objects. A sewing machine needle fastened into a 50-gram holder is dropped from 1 meter onto the visor. The visor must not fracture or be pierced by the needle. Flammability, Clause 5.3 of IS 9973. The flammability test determines the visor's resistance to fire. When exposed to flames, the burning rate of the visor must not exceed 3 centimeters per minute as specified in IS 2925. Several optical properties such as distortion, spherical and cylindrical error, prismatic error, diffuse transmittance, light transmission are evaluated to ensure clear visibility. Note: 1. Distortion, no visible distortion of objects through the visor. 2. Spherical and cylindrical error must not exceed 0.25 diopters. 3. Prismatic error must not exceed 0.5 diopters with equal values for left and right sides. 4. Diffuse transmittance must not exceed 5%. 5. Light transmission. Minimum light transmission must be 80% for clear visibility. The visor must provide a wide and unobstructed field of vision as defined in IS 4151. This ensures that the rider has adequate peripheral awareness. Each visor must be free from scratches, bubbles, and visual irregularities. Edges must be smooth, ensuring the visor is safe and visually clear. Only helmets that pass all tests as per IS 4151-2015 are certified by BIS. As helmets come under mandatory certification, do look for the BIS mark to ensure your helmet meets these rigorous safety standards. At the Bureau of Indian Standards, we ensure the safety and quality of products you trust. Always wear a BIS certified helmet and ride safely. Thank you for watching.